Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Man, I gotta tell you, when this thing rolled into the studio today, I literally stopped mid-sentence and just stared. Like, we are not in Kansas anymore. Toyota has done something absolutely wild with this one, and I cannot wait to break it down for you. This right here is the rumored 2027 Toyota RAV4 Limited Edition, and it is giving us everything we didn't know we needed. Let's go! Okay, so coming around to the front, bro, look at this. Toyota basically said, forget everything you know about the RAV4. The front fascia is completely reworked. We're talking an ultra-aggressive bumper with deep angular cutouts, a massive honeycomb grille that looks like it belongs on a GR Yaris on steroids, and these razor-sharp LED headlights with that signature Aero DRL signature cutting through the dark. Spinning around to the back, and it doesn't let up one bit. Full-width LED tail lamps with that smoked amber glow, a carbon-look rear diffuser with, yes, quad exhaust tips. Quad. On a RAV4. We also get that roof spoiler extending into a sharp ducktail, and the whole rear stance is just planted and wide. This British racing green paint. Oh my god. In person it is absolutely filthy. Inside, and Toyota clearly didn't cheap out. We're expecting a fully digital cockpit, a floating widescreen infotainment unit, premium leather and Alcantara sports seats, contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and the whole 9 yards. The Limited badge should bring in a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and a JBL premium audio system. Under the hood, and here's where it gets spicy, the Limited Edition is rumored to be packing a next-gen hybrid powertrain, possibly a turbocharged 2.5 L 4-cylinder paired with a high-output electric motor. We're looking at somewhere in the range of 320 to 350 combined horsepower, with AWD as standard. 0 to 60? Think sub 6 seconds. For a RAV4, that is genuinely insane. Alright, so money talk. The RAV4 Limited Edition is not going to be cheap. We're predicting a base price somewhere between $48,000 and $56,000 depending on the market. As for the release date, the word on the street is a late 2026 unveil, probably Tokyo or LA Motor Show, with deliveries starting sometime in first quarter or second quarter of 2027.